Happy Tuesday! Guess what day today is? I have just found out. It is Healthy Cookie Day. Well, really, it's National Cookie Day, but I'm making it Healthy Cookie Day. So I have made a really healthy, clean cookie for you to eat if you want to participate in National Cookie Day today. They only take about 5 minutes to whip up and 15 to 20 minutes to cook, and you got your healthy cookie, and you can eat it feeling guilt-free. And then I have made like a healthy dinner. Really, I love my one-pan skillet meals. They're so easy, nutritious, good for you. You feel good after you eat it. So I will show you first our meal for tonight. So it's our one pan. It is over quinoa. I just have my chicken in there, asparagus, broccoli, mushrooms, the sweet potatoes in there, and I just put it with a sriracha sauce. So here is our healthy cookie that I made tonight. So yummy. It's with rolled oats, my cranberries, a little splash of vanilla, your gluten-free oats there with unsweetened coconut, and my dark chocolate chips. And then I put a half a cup of almond peanut butter in there. Put them in the oven, 350, 15, 20 minutes. Delicious. And feel guilt-free. So that is your healthy cookie for National Cookie Day, your healthy meal for tonight. So yummy, so good. Hope you guys had a great Tuesday, that you were able to touch somebody today with your kind words, a smile, an act of kindness, just something to impact somebody else's life today. Have an awesome, amazing evening. We'll see you back here tomorrow.